Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Hootsuite for LinkedIn engagement alerts, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Hootsuite for LinkedIn engagement alerts, start by logging into your Hootsuite account. From the Hootsuite dashboard, navigate to the Streams section. Click on the Add Stream button. In the pop-up menu, select LinkedIn from the available options. Choose the LinkedIn profile you want to configure from your connected accounts. Now, select the type of stream you want to create for engagement alerts. To monitor engagement, look for options like mentions or comments. Once you've selected your stream type, click Add Stream. Your new stream will now appear in the list on your dashboard. Next, navigate to the settings in the bottom left corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, click on Notifications. Scroll down to the Engagement Alert options. Here, you can customize when and how you want to receive alerts. Choose to receive alerts via email or mobile notifications. Decide whether you'd like to be notified for every engagement or only for specific types. After adjusting your preferences, save your changes. Now, return to your dashboard to ensure your stream is active. Monitor the new stream regularly for updates on engagement. You are now set up to receive LinkedIn engagement alerts through Hootsuite. Engage with your audience promptly to boost interaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.